With the amount of craft products launched daily, there really isn't a limit to your creativity. Best of it is, I get to do reviews on these products and share my experience with you. Hi, I'm Michelle Holthausen, editor and publisher of Creative Hobbies Magazine and Craft Studio, and today I'd like to talk to you about Pilot's new fiber tip marker range called Pintor. So what makes Pintor unique? It actually allows us to work on multiple surfaces with one marker. You can now work on fabric, leather, wood, plastic, glass, to name but a few. You get a medium and fine tip, and there's a wonderful array of colors to choose from. Today I'd like to show you how to decorate your own stationery set. I've already finished a set for us, so you can see what the finished product looks like. For this project, you need a stationery set made of cardboard box. You need black Pilot Pintor, the fine tip. If you've not used Pintor before, you have to ink your pen. You'll see that the tip is white when you open it. You need to press down on the fiber tip until it inks. Once the tip of the pen has been saturated, you can start to work. Today's design is a fun design, but it's actually such a simple design. We're just making half circles, and I'd like you to focus on doing half circles in both directions. You see, we naturally have a side where we have a more steady hand. And if we keep on doing it from that side, it's going to become boring. So try and do them in different directions every time you start. Just a quick tip. The ink doesn't dry immediately. It takes a couple of seconds before it sets and cures. So be careful not to smudge the ink while you're moving around with the back of your hand. You could always start in the corners and make additional half circles starting from that angle. I would like to show you how to make interesting corners by aligning the lines on the edges. Again, take care not to smudge the ink. I hope you enjoy personalizing your stationery. If you would like to see us use the Pintor products on other surfaces, go to Pilot's YouTube channel.